In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Wix to sell Pokemon cards full-time. First, we need to begin our journey by heading over to wix.com, where you'll sign up for a free account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the platform, you're going to click on the Create New Site button. When you're there, be sure to select Online Store as your category because this will provide you with the tools you need to effectively sell and manage your Pokemon card inventory. Now, choosing the right template is key. You want something suitable for collectibles, trading cards, or hobby shops. This will serve as the foundation upon which you will build. Take your time in customizing the template to align with your branding and colors. Incorporating your unique style here really makes the site stand out and memorable to your visitors. After setting the aesthetic, it's time to focus on functionality. Head over to your dashboard and click on Edit Site. This step allows you to further tailor the structure and features to match the unique needs of your Pokemon card business. Next, let's populate your store with products. Navigate to the Store Products section in your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll start adding individual products. For each Pokemon card, ensure you provide a product name, high-quality images, and detailed descriptions including the condition, edition, and rarity. Don't forget to set competitive pricing based on market trends. It might be handy to categorize your cards into sections like singles, booster packs, collections, or rare cards. This step will make it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Incorporating tags and filters here can significantly enhance usability and improve customer satisfaction. Once your products are set, you'll need to enable payment options. Within your Wix dashboard, navigate to Settings and then Accept Payments. Here you have several methods to enable, such as credit or debit cards through Wix Payments or Stripe, PayPal, and if you're aiming to reach collectors interested in emerging tech, even cryptocurrencies. Ensuring that your checkout process is secure and user-friendly is crucial for customer trust and smooth transactions. Now it's time to give attention to your product pages. These need to be well crafted with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and should promote any rare or featured cards on your homepage to catch visitor interest. It's also beneficial to include prominent Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons to streamline the purchasing process. Before going live, click on Preview to test everything. Evaluate product listing, test the checkout process, and ensure all payment gateways are functioning correctly. Once you're satisfied with how the site looks and operates, hit Publish. Your site is now live. As a final step, think about how you'll promote your store. Engage with Pokemon card communities, use social media ads to target potential collectors, and create SEO-optimized content to draw organic traffic to your site. With these actions, you're well on your way to making your Pokemon card selling business on Wix a success.